Y'all hear me? Y'all hear me loud and clear?
Yeah, bro, I hear you.
What's up,
What's
Clement?
up, man?
How's your weekend?
Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. Just chilling with the homies.
Good, good.
How was your weekend?
Good, good, man. Chilling with my son.
That's good, man.
Good afternoon, gentlemen.
What's
Hey,
up, Nami?
what's up,
Bro, that these
man?
zooms hit different with that new screen, bro.
I
What's up, C? What's up, my brother?
I
What's
gotta
up,
turn my phone
fams?
sideways just to even see
What
it.
up?
You said I had to turn my phone sideways so you can see. All right, gang. Let's get the ball rolling. Hold on, let me close this window because I hear cars and
Cool.
traffic. One second. All right, gang. What's up? Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Let's get the ball rolling. All right, so I think we came off a great week. Um, in the market. I mean, nobody expected it to move like it did. I honestly thought it was gonna drop, but I think we come into the drop now, if you ask me. So on the daily, I see this bearish candle. If it was a little higher, it'll be a like most likely evening star forming in the daily, but we're not gonna ignore that this is a red candle and it's almost resistance area from here. And it closed lower than the prior daily on Thursday. So we gotta keep that in mind. So showed weakness. It's definitely showed weakness. So I'm watching levels. I'm a little bearish. I'm not leaning towards the upside. I think we can open green and then we sell off. That's my opinion. So the levels that I'm watching on SPY tomorrow, and the reason I'm also bearish is because of these indicators. This is classic double top RSI. It's already cooking down, and we got a little tint change on the MACD, and the cascading a little lower. So we're gonna keep eyes on bulls and bears, but I'm leaning a little bearish. So the level that I'm watching, sorry about that. The level that I'm watching is, hold on, this 411 zone. If we lose 411, then I'm short, and I'll be semi bullish for not for the whole week. If we go above this 413.90 area, we could definitely retest of 414. The only thing is, once we get to 415, we could reject. That's why I have a line over here around 415. So I see a rejection there. If we don't reject, obviously we could climb higher to at least 416 and a half, and then we could come down. But I'll be honest, I don't think we're gonna go there yet, at least for the next day or two. I think we're gonna sell off a little now. The Qs, basically, I'm almost the same, but the Qs look a little bit more bearish only because I see this. I'll show you 1 second. I want to zoom in. There we go. All right, so I'm leaning a little bit more bearish because we got heavy consolidation in this area, but I don't really see any movement to the upside, and these bulls been like coming in, and there was no volume on Friday, so I think if anything, the Qs are gonna sell before SPY. More surprising, I feel like the red candle is gonna come in stronger tomorrow once we get that red candle, in my opinion. So this is bearish. Look, it's rejecting already. So it's showing the RSI as a rejection area. It's not showing that it wants to hook back up. We got the bears are still here and it's dark. It's not even light. So you got to keep that in mind. And MACD is definitely looking like it's going to free fall. So it could be a heavy drop to this zone on the MACD. So levels I'm watching for shorts tomorrow, I'm definitely going to watch this line right here, which is 37, hold on, 315.90 zone around there to see if we could short it. at least to, if it's really bad, we could go down to at least 313. Now, if we bullish to the upside, if we are, and it breaks this little trading channel that has been trading on for the last week, then yeah, we could go higher to almost 321. So I'm gonna be watching at least this zone, the 318, wait, 318.80. Yeah, this line right here. If we get to 318.85 and we hold, then I know we could probably push to possibly 320, but that's a big if. I don't expect us, like I said, to push higher after the good week that we had. So let me jump into some charts that I have. I got actually quite a few, guys. So they might be a extensive Zoom. Let's see how fast I can get through it. All right, so I like J&J to the downside. Steve had texted me about J&J as well. I don't know if he was bullish or bearish though. I didn't get to ask him, but this looks like a classic double top rejection coming.
Yup. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, so this is definitely short. Look at the rejection on the R side is lower. Definitely a lot of room to fall. MACD also getting weaker. So the levels that I'm watching, I have it on my notes. I like 165.30 to try to go for the 165 puts, which is basically around my VWAP on the daily. So if we slice through VWAP, then I'm expecting us to drop. So if that happens, we could go at least to 163.5. So bearish on J&J. You can watch other names that follow J&J's. Usually, Steve wrote it in the list too, BMY. So if you short J&J, you could definitely look at BMY to see if it's. Matter of fact, now we talking about it, might as well just pull it up. So yeah, they're very similar charts. Look, they're very similar. Double top. This actually looks more ready, and looks like it's gonna really drop harder than J&J, because obviously this candle's already kissing the VWAP on the daily. So yeah, BMY is an easy short to me, under $70, I'll say. It's an easy short. So those two, maybe health is gonna sell off along with these, who knows? But these I'm bearish on. I have a mix. I got UPS.
XLV is weakening on the relative rotation graph too. So a lot of good stuff to support your thesis there, Cam.
Okay, thank you, my brother. We got UPS. Ugly morning star, but it could possibly be pulled off. I mean, everything looks good to the upside. This looks beautiful though, bottom. And it's already crossing. Bulls are still in play. This already crossed. So I like UPS. I'm gonna add, Steve did mention FedEx in his watches as well. So UPS, FedEx, they might go together. I just saw UPS before he mentioned the FedEx one. The chart, I mean the UPS chart before I saw the FedEx one. So I'm watching UPS. If we climb higher, I'm watching it above 193.20 for calls. They got 195, I believe. So if it goes to that, we could definitely go at least to, yeah, 194. We could try to get that whole dollar move and then try to get all the way on this volume or see if it wants to reach there. But I like that zone. It doesn't look bearish at all. So I only have one level to the upside on UPS. So another one that I like is AOS Smith Corporations. Upside, like I told you guys, I got a mixture of upside and downside. So we've been trading on a nice channel. This has been respectful every time. Every time AOS likes to go around 65. It loves to bounce from 65. So we missed the early bounce, but it's still showing strength that it could go higher, at least to hey, it could go to 68 or maybe 69 or better, but I think we're still in for the move because of the MAC. I mean, the RSI is still strong, and the MAC is actually trying to come to the positive side. So if this gets, I think if we're in early on the move, is either tomorrow or Tuesday for sure is gonna happen, because I see this going to the positive side and these two actually intersected. So finally could push it up. So I'm watching the 68 level on this one to see if it holds. And if I go long, I'm probably gonna want to swing it and go like 3 weeks or a month out. So I'm watching 68 if we hold on this one. All right, RTX is another one. I think I mentioned them a week ago. I think that's 2 weeks in a row I had them on Watchlist. But this one, I have two price areas. I got upside price areas and I got downside price areas. So 102.50 is gonna be a zone that I'll watch it to the upside on RTX. So 102.50 is probably gonna, let me see, it's gonna break. Yeah, it's breaking this way. Let's see what happens. Now, if we do flush, just because the bulls were here on these past 3 days, but they didn't really push to the upside, so the bears could come in strong. So the downside level that I'm watching to be safe is also 101 for the 100 puts. So 101 level breaks, we go to at least 100, maybe 99. This resistance, possibly go to this resistance. So I'm gonna watch those two levels. But it still looks strong. Like we gotta be. That's why I want to be prepared for both sides, because RSI broke resistance right here, recent highs, and it's obviously on an uptrend. It's not no downtrend. I'm sorry. And the Mac still looks good. So I was just prepared for both ends. It could be a nice explosive move to the upside, but better to be prepared than sorry. So we got two levels on that. I got a home builder name here, BLDR. I don't know if you guys even heard of this name, but if you haven't, today you will. So this is a nice strong. It was almost a bullish engulfing. This wick effed it up, but I'm not gonna discredit it because as traders, we all know it's not gonna be perfect, these patterns. So I'm gonna notice the strength of this candle on the daily and basically look for a breakout above. Hold on, I have it in my notes. 92.20. So I'm watching 92.20. Wait, this is not 92.20. Hold on. I actually meant 95.20. I'm sorry. I apologize about that. I actually meant 95.20 to see if it holds, and it would definitely push more. So this thing has room, and I think this is pushing. Yeah, it's pushing all times. Yeah, that's why I want to watch to see if we hold 95. This is pushing like highs. So usually when stocks push for highs, they usually go $5, $6 above their highs. Look at WWE. I think it might open up at 105 tomorrow. So this this could be one of these moves to push the rip to the all-time high. If it goes lower, you could watch. I don't think it's gonna go lower, but I'll say below 92.50. It could definitely drop hard, but I'm bullish, not bearish. Another one is cat. Cat looks good. Deer moves with cat, so might want to watch deer too, but I ran my eyes on cat. So this is a nice demand zone on cat right here. Look, from here to here, nice demand zone. So we got space at least to 229, maybe 230 on cat if it goes our way. Everything looks strong. Once it breaks that resistance area right here, then we could be off to the races on this resistance. Everything looks good. Pivot bounce off here. It's still showing strength. We already broke this high. So and the bulls are not weak on Friday. They were there, they were heavy. So I like cat above two 226.93. I'm gonna definitely watch it. They got 227.5 calls, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But you could go like 2 weeks out and take the 230s. It's up to you. But 226.90, I'll watch for calls. And if it doesn't go our way, I'll definitely watch 219.5 for puts if it does go down. Another home. This one is weird because this was the only retail, I'm sorry, retail, I apologize. Real estate one that was green on in my watch list. I don't know in general, of course, in the whole real estate sector, but this one looks interesting. So we got it respecting a trend line basically from all the way down here. It's like doesn't want to go under this little trend. It's not perfect, but it's holding. So and look at this channel it's been trading on. It's undeniable. Now we got a green candle on kind of support. This is the support that I'm looking at on Len. Now Len, pretty good company in my opinion. They just been getting whacked because of the economy and whatnot. But it looks good. It looks good. So I'm just watching it on side watch. Got a little inverse head and shoulder strength on the other side. So my levels are simple. I'm watching 105.64. Yes, 105.64. And then 106.13. If it breaks that, it could go higher. But I like the strong candle on support on Friday with Len. And also my other indicators look good. So like I said, this is not a 5-star setup. It's just something to watch just to see. Because I don't know why this one was green out of most of them. Like the only one that was green out of my whole real estate sector. This one is a small account one, Dave and Buster's. Caught my attention. Trading at a nice channel support. Now it is showing a little bit of bear flag right here. I don't know if you guys see it. Now, since I saw that, I was like, you know what? Let me repair. Even though I see a lot of bullish indicators. This is bullish. This is bullish. But you still see that bear flag pattern. So we're not gonna disregard that. So I have two levels. I have 34.10 to go under for shorts. That means we flush down here. Go to 33 and change, maybe more, maybe down more, maybe 33, 30. So if that goes to the downside, but if it goes to the upside, 35.90 above for calls, 35.90 above for calls to see if we can revisit 36, almost 37 around here, this rejection zone. But I'm leaning more bullish, but I just because I see the little bear flag going on right here with this long daily candle and then the little candles building here above the head of this candle. All right, so play. Oh, I like this one. Wingstop. Wingstop is ready to fly, to be honest. Got a lot of consolidation going on in this price range. Looks like it's ready to break out. There's a nice hold on this EMA too. You see this one, this orange one? This is my 9. It's a nice hold. Every candle was trying to hold it. And then Friday, a nice strong candle. Almost ripped past the body too. So we got MACD cascading, weaker bears, curled already up. RSI already crossed. So that's a good indication to the upside. So I'm watching, I believe I'm watching 186.15. Let me check my notes. So yeah, because of this candle high. So if 186.15 breaks, I'm sorry, was it 186.15? I'm sorry, that's 185.96. So yeah, if we get to 186.15 and a break, then yeah, we could definitely go higher to 186, almost 188, and then from there higher. But Wingstop looks good, and I'm trying to revisit these price ranges on Wingstop. This bad bearish wick on this day. So looks like it's heading there. And this might be a pre-ER run-up. ER is. Okay. I think I got like 4 left, guys. Sorry if I'm bombarding you. So CHPT, this is one of my side ones, small accounts. Might be a RDR, I don't know. See if you can confirm, I'll be great, but it might.
I love it, bro. Look at the volume too.
Alright, okay, so there we go. Thank you, my brother. RSI looks good. Beautiful
Yep.
bounce up the zone right here. The only thing is we need some tint change, but we could possibly start curling and start pivoting here. So on the MACD. So like I said, this looks like an RDR. So this could be a good reversal strength tomorrow or Tuesday. So I like charge point. I'm seeing what happens if we hold $9. If we hold $9, then I'm confident for 9.5 or 10s. So I'm gonna watch charge point around $9 a month. See what the price action gives us. So, oh, another fire one. Sporting goods. Fix it good. So we got a little look, nice little resistance area. Look where it's bouncing. Literally. Nice little ugly. It could be a morning star. We got doji, little green doji here. We got red candle here. So honestly, once it goes above the 9 and 21, is a go, my opinion. RSI looks ready. Nice little pivot higher here too. It's already crossing. MACD still looks good too. I like the MACD. So VIX, if I'm not mistaken, I got 140.65 to watch for calls and yeah, 140.65 above to watch for calls. It should easily go to 142. And if you get more out of there, then that's good. But I think we can go to 142 once we get to 140.65. VIX looks good, so might want to watch other retail names, see how they react. This one is another one. Nah, yeah, this is one, yes. I never even played this one. It's in my watchlist though. Because they went crazy for earnings. Who the hell buys fucking sketches, bro? Well, sketches. Yeah, see this little cup right here that it's making? It's not a beautiful cup, but it's a cup right here. So it could possibly be breaking here. We got a nice bullish candle on Friday. I wish we had a little bit more volume, but everything else looks good. This looks like it wants to rip more to the overbought zone. Now let's see how high does it go. Oh, it goes a lot, so I'm gonna put a line here. It's just in case I do grab it. So it has a lot of space to go higher on the overbought zone. And MACD looks good too. Actually increased on Friday. A lot of room to dance to the upside. So I'm watching Skechers above $50 to see if we hold the $50 Skechers. Because I think, let's see. Well, all right, so we visited this price. 50.55 is gonna be a resistance. And then after that, it goes to 51.20. So I'll watch it. And then from there, we got another level of almost 52. Yeah, sketches. Whatever sketches I'll be watching. All right. Got like 2 more teams. Yeah. OSTK. Oh, get it like that,
Let's
right?
go. Those cons move.
Yeah, man. This thing looks good, bro. Looks good. Looks good. Check this out, bro. Look at this, so freaking support. This is bounce central right here. This price range. And look, man, we got the 10, and we got this 9. I mean, RSI double bottom, and it's not even crossing yet. So we might be ready for the big strong move tomorrow. So I think this is an easy entry, in my opinion. I think I want to get either the 19 and a half or the 20s. That's what I want. So I'm watching OSTK above 1965 tomorrow for you
The
guys.
20s this week and next week. Either way, they're gonna go. It's
Either
looking
way,
like.
yeah, I was gonna tell you, bro. Either way, it don't matter. It still depends on you. If you're gonna go heavy, you can go 20 and make your money real quick on 20. They're gonna be cheaper. But if you want to hold it, maybe hold a few, because this could potentially be a nice hold, because it could go all the way to almost 21, bro. So
I see that, man. Thank you. Great find.
yeah, this one's fire, bro. Okay, so SDK. Oh, Expedia guys, spring break, vacation. Expedia kind of reminds me of OSTK. Look at this freaking buy zone. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 bounce. Ready to go. All right, so we got a hold on, consolidation going on here in the last. Wow, the whole week is still in this price range. It's either gonna break out of this price range or go lower, but I'm leaning to the upside. We got this good. We got this to the upside, the max. So that entry I'm looking at, I believe that's 92. Now 93.15. So 93.15, that's gonna be the break of this candle. All right. So once I break this candle right here, I'm going and we should hold above my 9 and try to go at least to 95 and change. And hopefully I'm going. I mean, it is vacation season. So this could rip here. And look, ER is coming up. Could be a pre-ER run-up. So let's see. Airbnb. All right. Airbnb. I like Airbnb. Remember this one. Oh, let me see. Oh yeah. Now try it. Come back to them. All right. So we had a nice little demand on Airbnb. This is where it likes to fluctuate and price action goes up. So right here we bounced up. Right here we bounced up. A little wick here, bounce up. Boom. We're right back to these levels. We're right back to those levels where it likes to move. So we kissed. We're almost strong to the upside. Yeah, this is upside movement. So little consolidation this week, maybe tomorrow, it could rip up. So once we get above, this is my 50 and my 200. So I should have a price above 116. Let me check my notes. 116. Yeah, I have actually 116.90 above for calls. And if it decides to go to the downside, I have 111 for puts, 111.50 for puts. So 116.90 above calls and 111.50 for puts. All right. I got two more and I'm gonna let you guys go. Sorry, one second. Google. I just want to talk about Google because Google looks good. I don't know if we're gonna get three power, possibly white soldiers. I don't know, but it looks good to the upside. Everything is still bullish on Google. So I mean, I don't want Google to open higher. I wish it could open around here, right? 107 zone, but this is basically breaking this high, and if it does, Google's gonna go to my humble opinion. It could honestly go to 110 this week. So that's me being optimistic on Google just because I see it breaking this high already. Nice little cup handle there. And last but not least, Pan W. Pan W looks good. Pan W. Okay, this is it. Pan W. Nice strong candle on Friday. Damn, we missed this one, man. We could have played this one, ODT. Crazy. All right, so we looking good on basically all bullish indicators. This already crossed. This looks like it's about to. Perfectly, yeah, tomorrow might be the day. So we might be right on time. Once it breaks this candle's high, hopefully we don't open higher on that candle. But 215 is gonna be key for Pan W. So if that breaks 215, we definitely got room to dance to at least, hold on, because this is the price level I'm looking at. This point. Yeah, we can go here first, which is 202, maybe and a half, and then right here. And then we could possibly start dropping 205. For Pan W, there's a big watch on that 200 level for me tomorrow if it does push the upside. That's it, gang. I'll take any questions. If anyone has any questions, let me see.
It's just me and Steve kind of talking shit. So you're good to go, bro.
Shooting the shit, bro.
You said above 200 on Pan W.
Let me verify that. Hold on, bro.
Climb, man. I'm gonna force you to slap Pan W tomorrow.
Good psychological number.
Yes, above 200. I wanted to hold there because then if we hold there and we dance there, I know we could go at least to 202 and a half and maybe 205.
All right, appreciate it.
All right, gang. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Well, I'll throw the Zoom link. Same thing you always do, man.
Yeah, Jefferson, just heads up, Jefferson, he's looking at 413.90 to the top side for SPY and 411 to the bottom side. And then
Thank you, broski. And the recording will be on live.
there you go. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks for everything, guys.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
Have a blessed night, everyone. All right.
Thanks,
You
Ken.
too.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks.
Guys, see you tomorrow.
All right.
See you tomorrow.